Alright fellas, packaging daripada Fiqeera. Serius, tebal. Benda ni kalau kau campak dekat anjing, anjing mati tau. It's a very secure packaging. Puas hati lah. This is my third buying from Fiqeera actually. So my wife beli what was that? Narciso Rodriguez, right? Yes. So my wife beli gift set untuk Lancome La Vie est Belle. Yeah.
Thank you.
So gift set ni tak silap dia ada 50 ml of the perfume itself, and then body lotion and miniature 5 ml. There we go.
Wow. So funky. Oh, ada miniature.
Yes, miniature 5 ml.
Nice.
Nice, and the body lotion itself. La Vie est Belle, Lancome. So later on I will put link untuk Fiqeera punya Shopee dekat description. That is a 5 ml miniature. Wow, I can smell the perfume from this distance.
Yep. Smells nice.
It's very nice, and my wife seems very happy with it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So let's try.
Let's look the atomizer. Orang spray kat kulit. But never mind, it's okay. Wow.
The smell.
Wow.
Ooh, not bad.
Okay, that's all unboxing. That is the, yes, you can see the La Vie est Belle wording on the atomizer. Nice smell actually. It's very elegant.
Seriously. Aman.
Okay, that's all for this unboxing video. Alright guys, stay safe. Assalamualaikum. Thumbs up.